Jetty's not allowed pa. Hi! Are you happy? Yeah.
Too high. Where the other one? Yeah.
Tornado, that's tornado.
And after Manila, the slide, it's right here. Huh?
The river.
Ah, big pool. Okay. 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 Because of that? There.
I don't like there. Uy, sa taas. Sa taas naman yun. Oh. Daddy na lang, challenge. Hi, Jess! You happy? O, hindi natin siya pwede iwan dyan. Ah, close pa, Dad.
Di, bukas dito yan dati.
Saan? What's your height? Oh, almost. Almost. Oh, big pull muna. Saan na daan?
Dalawahan yan, di ba?
Oo, ayun na yung may 8 na ano.
Let's go.
Tara. Paano si Jessie?
Can you stay with Jetty?
Oh, we'll try the the slide.
What if that stranger go to Jetty?
Oh, say, don't talk to me. Awan pa. Oh, let's go to the big pool muna.
Big wave? Or
Want to try the big wave? Let's try the
water flow.
Ay, the water flow.
Water flow here.
The water flow.
Yun, come here.
Let's try the water flow. Don't shout, ha? Daddy, try mo na yan. Yung nahuhulog.
Dalawahan yan eh.
Hindi. Isahan na.
Sana ba yan?
Oo.
Oh, let's go.
This one? That one again? This one?
Yeah, this one.
What's this?
This one and go down below, stop over. So that daddy is like,
Okay.
mama ka.
Again. Whoa. You ride ba salbabida?
One that?
That?
Mommy. Oh my God.
Let's go. Let's go.
Don't stop.
Don't stand, anak. There. Let's go.
Oh! Don't stop, Mommy!
Oh no!